What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys today about what is too early to start mowing. For me, I start early no matter what. If it's 7 o'clock, I start mowing. In most of the HOAs or any residential area in Jacksonville, I've never had a problem. I've never had someone come out and yell at me and say, hey, you know, it's 7:30, it's 8 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock, it's too late to mow. You know, I've never had that issue. So for me, I was listening to Blades of Grass today, and he was talking about when is it too early. It seems like typically they start about 7:45 or 8 o'clock, start mowing. For me, I'm not going to have an issue with my neighbor or my family member telling me, hey, you know, you started too early. You know, on Saturday I'm going to start later, maybe 8, 9, 10 o'clock. You know, I might go do my commercial properties where no one is awake, you know, and mow there, so it's not a hazard. It's not a financial risk or insurance risk or a hazard, you know, like all the public is on the commercial property. No one is there. They're not even open. And I'm mowing, edging, blowing, trimming the hedges, blowing out the beds, weeding. I'm doing everything on that commercial property early. Then when it's 9, 10, 11 o'clock, I'm going to do my residentials on the weekends, on the Saturday, Sundays. I work every day of the week, throughout the week, because you never know when it's going to rain here in Florida, Jacksonville. You might have pop-up storms. You might have a storm blow in from the ocean. You might have a storm blowing from the west, north. You just don't know. And a lot of times you might have to set off to the side until it dries up a little bit. You know, storm blows in, okay, wait 2 hours or wait an hour, go get lunch, go back, you know. If it dried up quickly, some areas of town it's different. You know, the older parts of town it's not properly graded, so it doesn't dry out that quickly. But let's say the newer places like Ponte Vedra, Nocatee, St. John's, things like that, those areas, they're going to dry up quicker. Ocean's Way, they're going to dry up quicker compared to, let's say, Riverside, Avondale, Murray Hill. That's going to take longer to dry up because the ground is more graded to be flat and not away from the house into maybe a ravine where the water will be taken away. I don't know. I had one property that I mowed, and it wasn't dry, so I had to reseed it. I had to reseed part of the lawn, and that's fine. It's just a part of business. Sometimes you get on a property, it looks good because it's nice thick grass, but you don't know how it's gonna work out. You know, it's and you don't always remember, because like I have over 400 properties I take care of. 400 properties. I think it's like 415 or 410, whatever it is. It's over 400 properties I take care of. So I do my best to remember those little things so I won't make that mistake. But sometimes you forget, and you remember it's nice green grass from edge to edge. You put your mower on it, it doesn't matter if it's a push mower or a big mower. Sometimes it might, you know, tear it up. You just gotta be reasonable. Stop what you're doing if it starts to tear it up. Get that piece of equipment off there and use something else to finish the job. And that's it. If you like this video, give it the big thumbs up, like and subscribe, spread the word, and check us out on Patreon and other social websites. And thanks again. Have a great day.